Alright, so we're going to be tackling the power steering pump, possibly line, so we're going to be taking out from the passenger front wheel and go from there. Here we are many hours later. I got called into work, so I went to work on Sunday. So, where was I? I was going to take off this wheel and start getting at the power steering pump. So, I'll try doing that. Do a power steering pump there. It looks leaky. Goal is to get that off. 2 lines and a few bolts. To do an oil change on this car, you have to take the wheel off? That's weird. Weird. Yep. That's gonna be fun. Well, that is power steering pump. That's power steering fluid. That's absorbent. That's a drain pan. And we have the power steering pump out. Whew. We're gonna be getting the new one back in. The whole block is painted, so this engine's been gone through. Alright. Step 1 done. Alright. Took off and put on the power steering pump. Used an OEM Tools power steering pulley and installer. Pulley remover and installer. Wasn't that difficult. Use this pulley. Use this to remove. And use this to install. Very simple. Instructions are on the tool. Not difficult if you can read. But new pump's ready to be put back on. Alright, so we got the new pump in, all tightened down, pulley on, lines hooked back up, return and the feed. This weekend we're gonna put the belt back on, get it started, try to fill up the system, check for leaks, and bleed it out. Hopefully, new pump fixes the problem, and we'll have power steering again. Then we go for a ride in this car. Alright, so we got the power steering belt on, all the lines on. This axle's broken, so I ordered another one. We're gonna do an oil change on it. Don't know if any water got into the engine when I rinsed it down. The filter, air filter on the oil fill. So we're gonna go get some oil, do an oil change, and then test out the car before we do the axle. Make sure this power steering works. Take it for a drive and go from there. Drain out the door. What a stupid spot for oil filter, I swear. So I got doing an oil change, I got the oil filter off, put a new one on. But damn, that was a bitch. This is how it ended up. Yeah, it took a long time to get that off. I had to get to the air hammer. Yeah, that was a bitch. I can't even tell the filter stuff because it was so hard to get off. Someone was pissed off the last owner. They got an oil change. That it was on there tight. Alright, so we're going to be installing a new oil pan bolt M12-1.75. Brand new with new rubber washer. Part number is 090-936CD. Has a magnet on it. Alright, I'm going to tighten that up.